the night settles over the city, and a single beam of light cuts through the darkness, revealing a silhouette that looks familiar yet sharper, bolder, more confident. This is the moment the 2026 Renault Captur steps into the frame, and from the very first glance, it feels like Renault has rewritten its own rules. The sculpted front fascia, the slim LED matrix headlights, and those crisp character lines running along the body make the Captur look like it's constantly in motion, even when it's parked. It's compact, yes, but there's a tension in its design, a sense of athletic readiness that instantly pulls you closer. Slide inside and the world shifts. Renault has leaned fully into a cleaner, more premium cabin philosophy. Soft-touch materials wrap around the dash, ambient light sweeps along the edges in a subtle glow, and the new vertical infotainment display feels precise and deliberate rather than flashy. The seats cradle you with a firmness that hints at long drive comfort, and the cabin has a surprising amount of space for something in this class. It's a cockpit designed around simplicity, with just enough flair to remind you it's European. But the real story begins when the engine wakes up. The 2026 Captur arrives with Renault's latest generation hybrid powertrain, pairing a responsive petrol unit with an electric motor that fills in the gaps so smoothly you almost forget a transition is happening. Acceleration is cleaner and more immediate than before. Nothing dramatic, but confidently progressive, especially in city traffic where that instant electric torque makes the car feel lighter than it is. On highways, the Captur settles into a calm rhythm, the hybrid system optimizing fuel usage so efficiently you can almost watch your range stretch. Handling feels tighter, the steering more communicative, and the suspension glides over imperfections with just enough firmness to keep the drive engaging. Tech plays its part too. Renault's upgraded infotainment system responds quicker, the digital cluster offers crisp animations, and safety features like adaptive cruise and lane centering feel more refined, less intrusive. Every piece feels like it belongs to a car aiming slightly above its class. With pricing expected to circle the upper end of the compact crossover segment, the Captur's value comes from its hybrid efficiency, upscale cabin, and the undeniable charm of its updated design. It's a car that doesn't shout. It simply arrives, performs, and leaves you thinking about it long after the drive is over. And as the camera pulls away, leaving the Captur under the soft glow of streetlights, there's a certain thrill lingering in the air. If this is Renault's vision of the future, the road ahead is about to get a lot more interesting. Stay tuned. There are machines out there waiting to surprise you, and we're just getting started.